scared the shit out of me. There's a recruit across the hall in the room with the door in.
Oh my god, at that shield. Or at that shotgun.
There was a recruit over there too, I don't know if you killed him.
There's a thermite in the lockers right now.
Yeah, I see him.
I would just chill.
I'm not gonna.
Op 4, last operator standing. Friendly, last operator
Just hang on,
standing.
I'll tell you. Just hang out there, I'll tell you where he's coming. Alright. Oh god, no, quit why would you mark him? He was coming in the other side.
Wait for here the activation thing.
Yep.
It'd be cool if you could chase him or wrap back around, make him come in that door, because then he'd hit that damn trap.
Op 4 is securing the biohazard container. Biohazard container securing pod.
Yeah, I know your
Take
tricks,
out the
motherfucker.
hostiles. Op 4 is securing the biohazard container.
Wait
Intervene
for
immediately.
it. Wait for it.
They
Oh my
friendly
god.
victorious. Hostile
That shotgun, man, just too strong.